Alrighty, blue tier. Let's do it. Oh, beautiful. That was bloody nice, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Keep it rolling, Peter, if you want to.
Yeah. Alright, I'll keep moving.
Hang with us.
Well, that's the first little section of blue tier in for a special ride. It's good because it warms you up, doesn't just throw you in the deep end straight away. Little hip jump there. Oh, that wind is fresh. Sort of glad I'm wearing the long sleeves. I'm really enjoying Blue Derby so far, or Derby so far. Trails out here have been fantastic, and they've really put a lot of effort into it. And you can see by how much fun everyone's having. Little shoot, nice crossover. Yew! That's a good idea. Emergency location numbers. Oh, that wind. Oh, okay. One of these days I'm coming back and hitting that gap. Ah, on the wrong side of the trail. Alright, that's a nice little section, that one. This is my first ever time in Tasmania, let alone coming to Blue Derby, and the joint is beautiful. Like, anyone who's ever thought of coming to Tassie, get on the boat, get in a plane and get here. It's sensational. It's actual. Oh, the GoPro will not show this at all, but that is probably one of the most beautiful little places I've ridden in. Sensational. Tassie, fucking love it. Oh. Shit, that's a tight switchback. This is beautiful. Even the climbs are good. You! It's like fucking riding through Middle Earth or some shit. Half expecting a bloody goblin or an orc to come flying out. So nice. Yo! Ha 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 ha. Brilliant. Oh. Woo! Like, what's the go with this backcountry ride and these perfect berms? It's actually really nice because you start this ride out as a group, and then everyone just sort of organises themselves into their own sort of pace groups, and then everyone just goes at their own speed. Nice. Blue Tier definitely got its share of climbing, but it also gives you a chance to look around and admire the scenery, and boy is it some scenery. Oh, straight. Oh. That is a nasty little climb. Oh no. Oh, I do that all the time. Go to pedal, have my foot down, and just slam my pedal into the rock. Something I'm going to have to start working on, I think. My ability to climb. Does make riding a lot easier. Well, more enjoyable when you can actually ride everything and not have to push up. Oh yeah, cool. Let's see how I go on this. Oh yeah. Yes! Well, I did that in 2 parts, but I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty good for me. Bring your climbing shoes when you come to Derby. How good is the terrain in Derby? Oh, Jurassic Park, eat your heart out. Oh, nice. Alrighty. Phew! This is brilliant. Oh. You could send it off that. Something serious. Definitely want an enduro trail bike, I'd say, because you are still doing a substantial amount of pedaling, which is fine. It's not hard pedaling, it's just you're doing a fair bit of it. You do want something that pedals alright, so don't be coming here with your 200mm travel and downhill bike, because you'll hate it. There's so many cool things on this trail. You hear so much about it. Like, I've only been riding for a year, and this, as soon as I started riding, this thing was on my bucket list to do. But like, you try not to get, oh man, you try not to get your hopes up thinking it's going to be as good as everyone says it is, because so rarely does that actually happen. But I've been smiling for the whole time I've been here, so to me that's testament enough for me. Anyway, this place is special. Yo! Oh. The best thing is you don't even know how far in you are. You're like, I don't know how long this is going to last for. Like, you want it to last forever. But so good. Oh, so beautiful. Just primo. Absolutely primo. Ooh. You just don't want this to end. Phew! Oh, this dirt. Ridiculous. This is like Hero Dirt 2.0 or something. I've never experienced it. Woo! Yeah. Seriously. If it's not on your radar, get to Derby and do the blue tier. Oh yeah. I like how they have a emergency location thing right here. There's no way knowing I can ride that. I will die. Ride it in the other direction, make it a bit easier. Have the momentum. One of the things I love about Derby and how the Blue Tier Trail and Atlas Trail has turned the town around. It's a testament to how much people love the sport of mountain biking. It's like people are willing to travel, people are willing to spend money going on these holidays, and it's totally turned the town of Derby around. And I just wish more places took up that mentality, saw how well it's worked, and really put a couple more towns on the map. Because Tassie has certainly got behind the mountain biking community, and it's great, but I'd love to see more states and governments get behind this stuff, because because seriously, one, it means we end up with more trails, and two, more towns get thriving economies because of it, which builds so much more than just bike shops. Like, there's restaurants, there's shuttle companies, there's fuel stations, there's, you know, I just think about how many people I've paid money to on this holiday that had not to do with mountain biking, like the Spirit of Tasmania, everything. And the only reason I really came to Tassie is because of mountain biking. So you imagine how much money there is to be made all over Australia. Oh my goodness. Woo! Flow town, eat your heart out. Oi. You want to hit all these jumps, but without knowing the trail, it's very hard to judge. So my recommendation, if you have got a couple of days here, definitely spring 2 days here on the tier, because I'd betcha any money the second time around it gets so much better. Woo! sick. Alright, so the dirt doesn't taste as good as it looks. I'm already thinking about food. I don't know if that's okay or that's not okay. But I'm going to smash a massive steak sandwich at the Wellborough pub. Yoo! Just little hit jumps. So much fun. Oh, that is ooh, prima. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is special. Well, here we go. Oh, through. I'm through. Sweet. Oh. Whew. That's definitely worth stopping for. This is the bit you fail to realise when you ride Blue Tier. There seems to be an awful amount of climbing. It's beautiful climbing, but so nice. Everything about this place is fucking fantastic. Oh, go down the big rock. Yes! Yoo-hoo! I better, you know, at least I did one A-line the whole of Blue Tier. Oh, that's a proper gap, that one. It's like, oh, what's your favourite section of Blue Tier? Oh, can you basically just say the whole thing? Phew! Oh, ridiculous. So, oh, far out. Holy shit, the dirt. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. So good. I know where Derby gets its dirt from, but whatever happened here a couple million years ago, oh, I wish it had happened everywhere. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, down through here. Oh, rocks. Oh, perfect bend. That jump would have been awesome to be able to hit. You. Seriously, this dirt is ridiculous. Like anything, like nothing else I've ever ridden my entire life. Having said that, I have literally only been riding for a year, so still heaps to learn. That's what I love about it. I'm watching blokes who are still riding in their 60s, and they can still shred and they can still have an absolute blast. Oh my goodness. Just do it. Just get over here. Stop thinking about it. Stop dreaming about it, just make it happen. You can camp in the town, you can do it budget as if you wanted to. If you are sitting at home thinking that blue tier and derby are overrated, they can't be nearly as good as everyone makes them out to be, I challenge you to come here and test that theory. I've often thought, how on earth can anything be as good as people make this joint out to be? Whew. It's up there. Certainly hasn't disappointed me. I hope the GoPro is doing this even a mild amount of justice. How beautiful it is in here. That's cool. Nice. Oh, I think that concludes the blue tier descent. That thing is amazing. Get out there, get amongst it. You will not be disappointed in any way, shape or form. Thanks for riding with us today. I had a blast. Hope you did too. I'll see you next time.